So the majors have been renamed. This is notes on the majors. That's 0, 21, that's 1, 10, and 19. This one is 2, 11, and 20, 3 and 12, 4 and 13, 5 and 14, 6 and 15, 7 and 16, 8 and 17, and 19 and 18 there. So the majors have been renamed. So the lodestone, I don't know how to pronounce that, sorry guys, is the Fool, the Magician. Red Earth is the High Priestess. The Forge is the Empress. The Anvil is the Emperor, and this is all from the point of view of blacksmithing. Tradition is the Hierophant. Connection is the Lovers. The Road is the Chariot. The Crystallization is Justice. The Hermit, the Wheel. Strength. Trance is the Hanged One. So that's in the shamanistic framework there at play on top of the blacksmithing. And then Death. And then the Quench is Temperance. A Molten Iron is the Devil. The Tower, the Star. The Moon, the Sun. The Furnace is Judgment. The World, that's quite apt that the furnace is judgment. It is through which a new creation would emerge. And then there's all this ore of spikes. So the suits are ore. Ore is, oh my god, I am so silly. Ore is the ace. So the spikes, the suits is blades, bells, and coils. Coils, bells, spikes, and which is represented by the backs of the cards here. The introduction includes iron geology, a section about black metal, iron mythology, shamanism and blacksmithing, modern shamanism, and then there's a section about stones and Shaman's Pebble Oracle, a note on Shaman's Pebble Oracle. And then there's notes on the stones for major arcana over here, about reading the cards, about spreads, and then the lodestone exercise, 4 element spread, triple star spread, 3 window spread, the Hermit's Mirror, references and resources, and then it talks about the major arcana, hematite varieties used in the pictures here, red, brownish red, dark purple. There's exercise with major arcana patterns and progressions. And then there are notes on classes or groups of majors here. For example, here it says about some of our birth cards, and mine for sure is the Emperor and Death here, which is 4 and 13. It says law of nature, physical laws reflected in the anvil, which is the Emperor in this deck, give order to the world, but the ultimate law is the death and the dissolution of order. So the Emperor and Death is law of nature, that the ultimate law is the death and dissolution of order. And I think that's a very, very apt and very appropriate for me, and I highly resonate with that message, or with that take on things. Yeah, so that's the back. front.